Hey everybody, Lewis here, our Shack Barbecue and other things. Well, today I'm going to do one of those other things kind of videos. Another one of those social media commercials that get you kind of enticed and you're like, wow, I think I might need one of those things in my life. And I ordered one. Seen a lot of them on that website or that social media called TikTok. But I went on Amazon and ordered one, and what it is a portable jump starter. So this is what I ordered right here. Let's have a look at it. Let's see, model M02. It says something about amps and watts. I don't know anything about that. Volts. Not an electrician, so yeah, Willie will open this up and we'll show you what's inside the little box here. We'll get it charged up, and it just so happens my van has a dead battery, and once this thing's charged up, we'll go hook it up. Could be tomorrow, and try to jump it, see how it does. So let me bring you in closer and we'll take a look at it.
Regulators, mount up.
All right, let's go ahead and get this little box open up. So as you can see, it's Acuzuk. Like I said, I found it on Amazon. I want to say it was $59.99. Yeah, really doesn't have anything there to say. Jump starter, power bank, and a light. Boost up your car in seconds. I'll let you read that stuff. Maybe you're an electrician or know stuff about amps and watts and whatever, but I don't know. I don't know much about it. So here we go. We open up the box and it has a nice little carrying case here. Let's open this up. All right. So here is the unit itself on this side. See on the back here, pretty much has all that same information that was on the box. Here you've got a USB out, USB-C out. So it's got some charging cords there, which is neat. That doesn't do anything. There's the light. And it has some kind of display, but we'll look at that here in a minute. On this side of the pouch, it's got the user's manual, it looks like. Here, and then you've got your battery jump cables. Got a connector there, then it's got a USB to USB-C plug here. This must be the charger for it. Okay, let's see if we can figure out real quick where this two-prong thing would fit. Oh, must be here. There's a little cover here. Let's pull that back. Yeah, so you've got the two prongs, and it goes right in there. Make sure we're, that's where it goes. All right, just like that. Has some kind of volt display on it. 15.8 volts right now. Okay. I don't even have the thing on, so that's kind of odd. Let's see how it comes right out. All right, let's look at the owner's manual real quick. See if it tells me anything. It's got different displays here, low voltage, reverse connector. So reverse connection indicator. I don't know if that's for that plug there. If that's where it will tell you it's plugged in wrong. High temp, warning. The voltage of jump starter when one clamp to the car and another one into the starter. The voltage of the car battery will clamp to the car only. Charging your at home. Plug your USB cable into any USB charger. Connect the Type-C port to the jump starter. In the car, plug the Type-C cable to your car charger. 5 volts, 2 amps above, not included. Connect the Type-C port to your jump starter. Okay. So ready status. Insert the plug completely into the jump start EC5 port. The display on the plug will show the voltage of the jump starter, and the upper small icon will run cycle from left to right. Then it shows you where to hook it up, remove the clamp once you have it started. All right, so it's a pretty thick little manual. It's got different languages in there, but yeah. All right, so that's that. Let's just hit the power button here and see what it does. Well, that must be, so it's got an 82%, or I'm sorry, that's backwards. 28% charge right now, I would say. I don't know, how would you read that? The percent sign be on that side? But then the light came on, and it's a pretty bright light. Wow, I'm not gonna shine that on yet. See if, no, you got a strobe. You've got a different, ooh, and it's got different colors there too, red, blue, and then off. But it's at 82%. I wonder if we should go out and test it on the van right now. What do you think? I'd say yes. And I think if I just press and hold, it'll shut that off. We'll see. Nope, that's not how you turn it off. We'll have to read the manual to figure out how to turn off this unit. Alright, so it just powers itself off after a short time. But yeah, let me take this out and we'll test it out on the van. See if it's got enough juice to fire up the van. And here's my van behind my truck. The truck, I've been driving that quite a bit, so the van just sits here. So we'll unlock the door and we will set this here. Drop that. Alright. Alright. Stick the key in here. Show you. I'm going to turn the key. And you see nothing. Alright. So now I'm going to pop the hood and we'll hook up this battery charger. Alright. Open the batteries on this side. So the battery's on the other side. Have to bring you all the way around there. Alright, the battery's down in here. So we're going to take this, set it right here for a minute. Get our cables out. Plug this in. Okay. Still at 15.8. I'm going to just set this on the battery here. A little tight because of the side post, but we got that one on there. We got that on there. Now I'm going to go turn the key and we'll see what happens, huh? started it right up from dead to going. And it's showing 14.8 volts, which is kind of neat. So yeah, it worked. Can't complain about that. Let me get it disconnected and we'll wrap up this video. So there you go. Make sure I have it looking right. Yeah, the Acuzuk car portable jumper. Now I don't have to bust out the big car charger, find an extension cord, hook it up, let it run for a little while. Just use this. Pretty handy. I might actually buy a couple more of these so that I have them in all my vehicles. That was impressive. That from a dead, no start, hooked it up to the battery, bam, it hit, and wow. So anyhow, yeah, found this on Amazon. I'll try to have the link for it down in the description. You can find them all over TikTok and a bunch of them on Amazon. I think I went with this one for the fact that it was like, geez, I want to say it said 3,000 amps versus like 1,600. I wanted something with a little bigger boost, and that definitely paid off. So there you go. I like that flashlight too. That's pretty neat. I am going to still hook this up and let it charge overnight, and then we'll put it in the van because, like I said, I don't drive this very much right now. Even though we're getting more into our catering season and we'll be using it a lot more, but I should probably buy a new battery too. Anyhow, until next time, my friends, you can do this too. Not that hard. Motor on.